lovely cuties, welcome to my channel Bad Girl Zafra. So today's video will be all about Eid makeup tutorial. I will be sharing a very pretty makeup look which will be beginner friendly. I'm all set for that. So yeah, I have here this very pretty kurta set and some jewelry. I'm just loving it. Like the look is very pretty. I hope it turns out to be a very good makeup look. Let's see how it turns out. If you want any of the product, I will attach all of the product links in the description so you guys can check it out. Yeah, you guys can check it out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get jump to the video. Starting with my favorite product, which is this Dalba First Spray Serum. I will apply this for some hydration to my skin. I have already applied the sunscreen. Its first spray serum is setting spray plus skincare. I just love this to spray on my face before makeup, after makeup. Just 4 to 5 spray of this and you will get that glow. Just look at this. My skin is looks so healthy and glowing. That's why I love this. Just look at the amount of product I have already used. It's just so good that I can't stop myself using it every now and then for this glow and hydration. So for the primer, I will be using this Mars Gripping Primer. It's gripping primer, so it will hold your makeup all day long. Just quickly applying it with my fingers so that it melts into my skin quickly because brushing on like dripping primers अच्छे से blend नहीं हो पाते हैं. Now it's time to show you the truth. I will be showing you that how it holds the makeup. Is it a joke? I think it's so funny, yaar. So yeah, let's just move ahead with my foundation. You guys will already like get to know that how it holds the makeup. It's just so perfect and budget friendly too. So for the foundation, I will be using this also famous viral Titter Cushion foundation. This is one of my favorite. I have picked out the perfect shade match. It's very hard to find a perfect shade match in this because they have 20 plus shades. So yeah, it was a trick for me, but I have picked out the perfect shade. I don't know which shade it is, but I will mention in the description box so you guys can check out. Just look at this. So high coverage. Are you guys seeing it? It's just so perfect and blends into the skin like a dream. Just look at that before and after. It looks so flawless. Let me quickly apply to this side and show you the final look. This one is enough on its own, so you don't need any concealer above it. Just look at that flawless base. So this is how the foundation is looking like. I'll quickly applied my lip balm so that my lipstick goes well at the end. It's one of my favorite lip balm which I'm obsessing over like from past 2 to 3 months from the day I have received it. It's just so perfect that I can't stop loving it. Applying 1 and 2 spray of this again so that the hydration does not fades away. It's enough. So for the blush, I will be using this Prosh Jelly Tint Lip and Cheek Jelly Tint. It looks something like this. It's very pretty and it's jelly. It was viral, like very viral nowadays. Just look at that natural flush of color. What was the next step? I got confused. For eye makeup, I have this Swiss Beauty Chrome and Matte Twin Eyeshadow Stick because I'm not at all good at eyeshadow palettes, like playing with eyeshadow palettes. This is such a task for me because I do once or twice in a year, like eye makeup with eyeshadow palettes. So it's a pretty hard task for me, so I'm not playing with that right now. I will be using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow stick. It's very easy to use. Just apply it and blend it with your fingers and you are sorted. Let me fix this and then show you. I've applied this matte brown shadow on my eyelids, like both of my eyelids. So now I'm applying this golden one. It's golden shimmery eyeshadow. मैं अप्लाई करके बताती हूँ, so आप लोग को पता चलेगा कैसा लगता है ये एक्चुअल में शेड. So yeah, now I think that eye makeup is going somewhere, like it looks very pretty now. Let me quickly apply to this side and show you that how it actually looks. Then we will move ahead with my liner. Moving ahead with the liner, I will be using the Swiss Beauty eyeliner. I just love the applicator of this. It's very thin. तो बहुत अच्छे से लाइनर अप्लाई हो जाता है. I think mascara is such an important step in eye makeup. Just look at the amount of difference. It's just perfect and very affordable too. I'm in love with this eye makeup. So for the highlighter, I will be using this highlighter by Starstruck. It's thick highlighter and the shade is very pretty. I'm just taking with my fingers and applying it so that it easily gets blend. You guys can see it looks very dewy and glowy. When I call pretty, then this is what I mean. Now comes the second last step, which is setting all in with again my Dalba spray. Now for the lipstick, I have this C Beauty Lip Whip in the shade Ride. I will be applying this to match the eye makeup and overall dress. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and this makeup look. I'm so in love with this makeup look. If you will try this, do let me know in the comment section that how it turned out. And do not forget to subscribe my channel to watch more such videos. Bye bye. See you in my next video.